Hey, welcome back everybody. It is about 6 in the morning here in Denver. I just got a call from the shipping company. They're about 45 minutes out to deliver the car. So the perfect birthday present. Wasn't planning it for it to show up on my birthday, but just happened to work out that way. So lucky me, happy birthday to me. So yeah, about 45 minutes. We're gonna help them unload the car, get it into the garage, and make sure everything's okay. And then we can finally get to work on restoring it. All right, so we finally got the car here. Unfortunately, we're not able to get the car in the garage just yet. Reason being is, 40-some-year-old tires that have been sitting for 33 years. We were lucky enough that 2 of them managed to hold air. The other 2, though, on the right-hand side of the car, they were totally flat, totally dead. Managed to find some cheap used tires on Facebook Marketplace for about 40 bucks. They came off an old Toyota Camry, but they happen to fit the 14-inch rims that are on this Mustang. So we're gonna go get those, gonna put on, and that'll make the car a lot easier to roll so that we can actually get it into the garage. All right, so finally got the car in the garage. Managed to get the used tires on, and with the help of a couple of friends, we rolled it up here without any problem. So what's coming up next? We are going to start yanking out that nasty carpet in this car. Some people might ask, why aren't you going to save your carpet? It still looks like it's in decent condition. Looks like that from the camera, but you get up real close, mouse poop everywhere. It's been sitting in the barn for 33 years. It's not been taken care of, and it's kind of falling apart. Plus, we need to pull the carpets up anyway to check out the floor pan in its entirety. We've already done some initial scoping out and things look good, but we are going to eventually sandblast this car, and we're going to need to know what those floor pans look like to know if we need to replace them. So, car's finally in here. We're also going to start working on unseizing the engine. We're going to have a video on that probably in a week or two, kind of going over some of the details of how you unseize an engine. So stick around for that. It's going to be very exciting. And until then, I will see you guys next time. P.S. A huge thank you to D&D Tire here in Parker, Colorado. When we brought in the old tires and the used tires that we're going to put on the old rims, they were kind enough to do it for free and put new stems on it, put a conditioner on the interior of the walls just to help prevent rot. Great service. If you're ever in the South Denver area and you need tires, please check out D&D Tire. They're a locally owned and operated business, and they're going to treat you right. So, until then, goodbye. Hey everybody, and thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. If you like what you saw and you like what we do, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It helps us make better quality content and on a more regular basis, and I would really like to hire an editor someday. You can also find us on Twitter and Instagram. Links are down in the description. And please consider donating to our Patreon page, like our YouTube channel. It helps us make better quality content on a regular basis. And ultimately, it's going to help us make a better quality car in the end. So, like I said, thank you guys so much again for watching this week's episode. I will see you guys next time.